In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to how to use Slice Tool in Figma. Learn Slice Tool. First, open the Figma website in your browser and load the file or page where your image is already placed. Once your canvas is visible, take a moment to make sure the image is positioned exactly how you want it, because the slice will follow whatever is on the canvas underneath. Now, we'll use the Slice tool. Look to the main toolbar and choose the option labeled Slice. When the Slice tool is active, your cursor lets you draw a rectangular region over your design. Click and drag to draw a slice around the specific part of the image you want to export. Think of a slice as an export boundary. It doesn't cut or delete anything on your canvas. It simply defines the area that Figma will export for you. If you need more than one area, repeat the same action. Draw additional slices over each region you want. You can adjust any slice by selecting it and dragging the corners or edges to refine the boundaries. Zoom in for pixel-precise control and pay attention to the edges so you don't accidentally include extra background. If snapping is enabled, it can help you align slices cleanly with the image edges or guides. Once you've drawn the slice you need, click that specific sliced area to make sure it's selected. This confirms the export target. Remember, your original image remains untouched. You're simply defining an exportable area. To see the result, keep the slice selected and look for the export option. Click Export, and Figma will generate an output for just that slice. You'll be able to review the exported file on your computer. If the result isn't what you expected, maybe you captured a little too much or too little, go back to the slice on your canvas, refine its edges, and export again. This non-destructive approach makes it easy to iterate until the export looks perfect. For best results, make your slice tight to the content you need and zoom in to check the borders. If you're creating multiple slices, keep each one focused on a distinct area so you can export them individually, one at a time, using the same export button after selecting each slice. That's it. Open the Figma website, open your page, choose Slice, draw the areas you want, select the specific slice, and use Export to get your image out exactly as you planned. Follow these steps and you'll be slicing and exporting clean, precise assets in no time.